this is Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. And Shadi season is back again, and I'm super excited to style my sarees in so many damn ways. I'm going to play around with them this winters. And साड़ी और विंटर्स बहुत अलग अलग तरीके से हम मिक्स एंड मैच करके बहुत ही प्यारे प्यारे लुक्स क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. So here in this video, I'm going to show you guys four different looks that you can wear on a wedding related occasions or something like that. And I just love the fact how beautifully sari adorns the body, the way it flatters every body type. And Indian culture में sari has a different position altogether. So here I go. And अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो please like करें, comment down what you felt about the video, what you felt about the look, and don't forget to subscribe. Without further ado, let's get started. The first look is for a bachelorette party look, and इस look के लिए मैंने घंटों बैठ के research किया है. If that makes sense, and I just sat down in front of my almirah and मैंने बहुत सारे pieces, बहुत सारे साड़ी को mix and match करके इतना सारा दिमाग लगाने के बाद I finalized one saree, which is really pretty flowy saree. I think this is in chiffon fabric and ये black and purple color में, the combination I just loved. And since it was a bachelorette look, so I wanted it to be more subtle and sexy. तो मैंने बहुत सारे साड़ी ड्रेप्स देखे इंस्टाग्राम पे, यूट्यूब पे. आई ट्राइड इट आउट एंड somehow it didn't work out क्योंकि ये साड़ी बहुत लंबी थी तो वो उतना ज़्यादा नीट लुक नहीं दे रहा था. एंड देन आफ्टर thousands, oh my god, after thousands of experiment, I finalized this look and it turned out so good. And yeah, this is how I draped it.
So basically I made a knot at my tummy साड़ी के सेंटर वाले एरिया को लेके, एंड फॉर द लेफ्ट आउट पार्ट ऑफ द साड़ी आई होल्ड ऑन टू द एंड्स ऑफ द साड़ी बोथ दी साइड्स एंड मेड अ नॉट क्रॉसिंग ओवर माई नेक. एंड उसके बाद मैंने फ्रंट वाले एरिया को थोड़ा नीट बनाया. फॉर दिस यू कैन इवन यूज सेफ्टी पिन्स एंड ऑल्सो एडेड अ बेल्ट टू cinch at the waist and to make it look even more sexy.
Since this look में the back portion was open and somewhere around the tummy area was also open, so I know this fashion will suck in winters. And there came my game changer, which was my mom's purple blazer. And this is more like a furry jacket or blazer sort of. And it's so cozy, comfy, and just the right amount of oversize which I wanted. And all you have to do is to throw on the complementing colored blazer आपकी साड़ी के साथ जो complement कर रहा है. मेरी साड़ी में पर्पल था, ब्लैक था. I would have also thrown on a black blazer, but since it wasn't that oversized, so I thought this is perfect. So this is how my bachelorette look using a saree turned out. And now it's time for the second look, which is the main look, that is for weddings. And for that look, I simply picked up this saree क्योंकि ये मेरी favorite saree है from my mom's collection. मैंने एक दो बार सोचा भी थी. I just love this saree, the fabric and everything. It's in silk fabric and I made a dedicated video on A to Z about silk saree and styling. Please do check that out. I'll mention the link to it in the description box. Now I have two different options for the wedding look. One for those who love modest dressing. Okay. So one for those who loves modest dressing, and the other one for those who wants to keep up with the fashion and trends. So for the first look, I picked up this saree. This saree is for the second look as well. And as a blouse, I picked up this camel toned turtleneck, and I just love how these two complements each other. And इस turtleneck वाले portion को छुपाने के लिए I picked up this I picked up this kundan necklace क्योंकि the basic idea was to hide the turtleneck ताकि ये sweater type का ना लगे और blouse type का लगे. And उसके बाद I made a low messy bun and उसके ऊपर से ये गजरा क्योंकि गजरा is important. And this is how the look turned out. Now another fashionable look for the wedding is the look that I know many of you won't relate to it, but then we have option number 1 for you. And for this experimental fashionable look, I picked up this saree yet again and this really sexy blouse. This is the maroon shimmery blouse and बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यारा है, and also this turtleneck again. And I thought I should do something more fashionable with this one, and I searched a lot क्योंकि आप लोग सबने देखा होगा अभी turtleneck arm warmers are in trend. I searched on Zara and it was for like 4,000, so I thought it's not feasible to order it. So उस समय पे मेरे अंदर की fashionista जागो थी and I made this turtleneck as an arm warmer. And since this look was somewhere different and all of it, so I picked up these really pretty stud earrings जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा smart है, golden stud earrings हैं. Okay, as you can see, I have something written on my hand, student, and these Kota some bangles, and I kept my hair open, wore some maroon lipstick, and that's that about the look. Just have a look. And one more look which can pull off this winter is just so apt and suitable for reception. And इस look के लिए the first thing that I needed was a saree. And जो भी मैंने plan किया था उसके according साड़ी बहुत ही flowy और एकदम light weight होनी चाहिए थी. So I finalized this saree. It's in this black and greenish type का color and chiffon fabric है. तो बहुत ज़्यादा लाइट है, एंड जो लुक मैंने सोचा था वो मैंने अपनी लाइफ में अभी तक बहुत बार कैरी किया है, एंड इट लुक्स सो गुड एंड सो एम्पावर्ड बिकॉज इट हैज़ पैंट सूट विद द लुक एंड ये ब्लैक ब्लेजर एंड दिस ब्लैक पैंट अलॉन्ग विद द साड़ी, एंड आई जस्ट लव हाउ दिस टर्न आउट. एंड इसके साथ मैंने एक्सेसरी के तौर पे ये ब्लैक नेक चेन यूज़ किया, एंड इट्स जस्ट परफेक्ट एंड सटल. एंड आई नो दिस इज नॉट समथिंग टू वाओ अबाउट. ये आराम से आपको किसी भी स्ट्रीट मार्केट में मिल जाएगा, बीट सरोजनी, बीट जनपद, बीट केदार मार्केट, एनीवेयर. And I kept my eye makeup browns, full of browns, and since eye makeup was quite on a louder side, तो मैंने lipstick warm, that is nude type का रखा, and this is how the look turned out. So I just loved the way I experimented with sarees for this video, and इस winters में मैं बहुत सारी साड़ी के और सारे looks create करूँगी, and I'm definitely gonna show you guys through my Instagram stories and all of it, and all the looks that I've shown here in this video is really apt for winters. I mean, you can enjoy that saree वाला feel without shivering. And मैंने देखा है parties में बहुत लोग साड़ी अच्छी खासी साड़ी flaunt नहीं कर पाते just because of that sweat on the top. I know you agree. So अभी तो फिलहाल के लिए इतना था. Please share this video to others, and yeah, give it a thumbs up, comment down, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle is _Alisha180. I love you guys. Bye bye.